Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys a tour of our home where we're staying at the Condado Hotel. Condado Hotel. So the hotel where we're staying. So let's go. So I'll show you guys inside of it. That's when you open the door. I'll go to the bathroom first. This is the bathroom here. So we have our suitcase, bag, wallet, towels. We actually really like it. It looks nice. And this is the shower here, right down. And then the closet where my husband already using it so far. And they have a little kitchen here. This is the weirdest thing though. How would they put a little kitchen in the bathroom? That's what we did not like, but I guess it's alright. And then they have like little fridge here where you can put stuff in there. We put our little snack in there. And this is the drawers where my husband get his stuff. And this is how it looks like. Now when you leave the bathroom, this is our shoes, Mano's stroller. This is a double bed. And this is how it looks like. I mean, we really love it a lot. And then here, they have a little desk where, you know, you can do your thing. And this is a TV, that's not a computer. It looks like a computer, but it's not. And they have a little seat there where you can do hi, or you can do your stuff. And my favorite part of the hotel here is when you open the door, you have your little private balcony. But this is how it looks like. And then you get the gorgeous view of the hotel. This is how it looks like. But yeah, this is our hotel room. We really love it. It's really peaceful here and quiet, and you can just, you know, relax and do whatever you wanted to do. So they have a swimming pool there. I'll take you guys around as well and show you guys how everything looks like.
About to go paddle boarding.
Not
Mano
me.
and Bum. We can't take Manu out, so Loca's gonna stay with little Manu. But the sun's gone down, it's not as hot anymore. And so here we go. See you when we take the pictures.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
The birdie went bye-bye?
Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make
Some cuttlefish, little squid-like fish. No, these are not that.
What is it?
There's clam shells. Look at Boo Boo.
Manu? Nice. Manu, are you ready? Manu? Are you ready? Yeah?
smoke through my cigarette. my time now. I'm gonna be myself, be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at
What's up here? Where's Bubby? Where's Bubby? Good Bubby, boy. Feel free.
I just finished swimming. So we're gonna get ready to go eat dinner now. And yeah, so exhausted, so tired.
We're going to Veggie Garden. It's almost like Govinda's vegetarian vegan that belongs to the devotees in the temple. So hopefully we'll get nice prasadam from the Lord. And it's outside in the city, but it's nice we have a car to help us drive.
I mean, it's really beautiful here, but you don't have a car. Like, you can go like really explore anywhere else. We're walking out for dinner now. My boys in the
All the
bus.
stores, all the restaurants we went to look for, they were all closed.
That's crazy.
The GPS couldn't find them.
We had the craziest GPS ever. It's like
It
bad.
takes us to a place and then there's nothing there.